Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 S550 4MATIC. This one's an anthracite blue metallic. Underneath the hood's a V8 twin turbo pushing out 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 19-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige leather interior, pano sunroof, ambient lighting, rear neck pillows. This one also does come with the warmth and comfort package, which is going to give you front and rear heated and cooled seats. Seats also recline in the rear. Illuminated door sills. Come around back, you've got a rear spoiler, S550 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set all season and regular floor mats. Alongside, this one does come with the driver assistance package, which is going to give you a active blind spot assist, lane keeping assist, Distronic Plus. You got Burmeister sound system, power seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a heads-up display, push start ignition, burl walnut wood trim, navigation, surround view backup camera. Also comes with the parking assistance package. We've got our hard keys for media display, cup holders, navi, radio and hard keys for our media display, sports and comfort suspension, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This S550 has 24,639 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.